we'll find the area of this shaded region. The region is 8 feet long, 3 inches wide. The figure is not drawn in perfect proportion. We'll give the answer in square feet. Let's start by noting that this is a rectangular region, and so we find the formula for the area of a rectangle is area equals length times width. Now, reading the problem carefully or looking at the picture carefully, we notice that the units are not the same. And in order to find the area or the volume of a figure, we must be working with the same units. So we'll need to change one of these units, and since the problem asks us to give the answer in square feet, we'll change 3 inches to feet. So in order to do that, we'll multiply 3 inches by a form of 1. And the form of 1 we'll multiply by is 1 foot over 12 inches, because 1 foot equals 12 inches. We can write this as 3 over 12 times inches over inches times 1 foot. And since inches over inches is 1, we have 3/12 of a foot, or 1/4 of a foot. Now we can substitute. The length of the rectangle is 8 feet, and the width is 1/4 foot. Multiplying, we have 8 over 4 square feet, or 2 square feet. So the area of this shaded region is 2 square feet.